Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be installing a cargo area slide out table by Mabett. Let's get it installed and check it out. Big thank you to Mabett for providing the product for this video. The slide out cargo table is a black powder coated carbon steel. It comes with all the mounting accessories and even the tools to help install it. The first step is to open up the tailgate. And if you have a soft top, lift up that back part for better access. And then remove anything you might have in the cargo area. Now you're going to remove the plastic covers from the tie downs. Using a 10mm socket, remove both bolts in each tie down. In the tie downs closest to the front of the vehicle, you're going to insert a couple of these threaded bolts. Rotating it about 5 times gave me enough thread at the end. And next, put a spacer over each threaded bolt. At the tie down near the tailgate, you're going to put in a threaded bolt in the hole closest to the front of the vehicle, and add a spacer as well. Next, you're going to add a foam spacer. Go ahead and repeat this process on the other side. Going back over to the table, you're going to remove the 11 5mm hex bolts on top. This is going to release the 2 top panels. Now with those 2 top panels removed, you can install your original tie downs to the table. You can now go ahead, pick up the table and install it in the back of your Bronco. As you can see, it can be done by one person, but you might want to have 2 people do it just so you can line it up easily. Take 2 of the cap nuts and put them over the threaded bolts that are closest to you. You're going to tighten these down with a 14mm wrench. An adjustable wrench makes it easier here. And do the same on the other side. At the back, you're going to put a cap nut on both of those 2 threaded bolts. There's a hole in the top of the table, so you can get a socket wrench in there. A regular 14mm socket works just fine. You're going to want to press up on the blue levers and pull the table towards you, make sure it slides in and out. Install the 2 covers you removed earlier and put in the 11 5mm hex bolts. Go ahead and make sure the slide out mechanism is working once again. The table's great for prepping or tailgating, lots more surface area to work with. It slides in and out with ease, and it has a nice locking mechanism to it as well. It stays put when you close it away. However, its party piece is it now levels the cargo area when you have the seats down. And this now means it's a lot more usable space if you want to go overlanding and sleep in the back of your Bronco. And so here's an example of what it looks like with an inflatable mattress in the back. Once you slide the front seats forward, you can see it fits in there perfectly with the tailgate shut. And it's all nice and flat, nice and level. You're now set up for a great night's sleep. So as you can see, it's fairly easy to install. You just remove the cargo tie downs and you put in those 6 screw threads and bolt down the table. There's 6 locking nuts on top that keep it in place, and then you're good to go. This is a black powder coated carbon steel, so it's nice and strong and durable. The rails on the side, the slides, they are nice and smooth, and it has those blue release handles to lock it in place. I love the versatility of having the table, but it also increases the depth of the cargo area by about 2 or 3 inches, which levels off that area by the folded down back seats. This gives you the opportunity to put an air mattress or a bed of some description back there, and it's nice and level. There's a link to the product in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.